Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking, especially when I have enough time. It helps me relax and feel creative in the kitchen.
How often do you cook at home?
I cook at home several times a week. Most of the time, I prepare simple meals because they are faster and healthier.
Is cooking an important skill in your opinion?
Yes, cooking is very important because it allows people to take care of themselves. It also helps save money and eat healthier food.
Do you enjoy using new technology?
Yes, I enjoy using new technology because it makes life easier and more efficient. I like trying new apps or devices that improve productivity.
What kind of technology do you use every day?
I use my smartphone and laptop every day for communication and work. I also rely on technology for learning and entertainment.
Has technology changed the way people live?
Yes, technology has changed life in many ways. It has improved communication, access to information, and the way people work and study. One thing I don't have now but would really like to own in the future is a modern electric car. I've always been interested in cars, and recently I've become more aware of environmental issues. Electric cars are eco-friendly and produce less pollution, which is one of the main reasons I want one. Another reason is convenience. Electric cars are usually quieter and cheaper to maintain than traditional cars. I've read that they require less servicing, and charging them at home can save both time and money. This would make daily travel more comfortable and stress-free. I would like to buy this car in the next few years, once I have a stable income. At the moment, it's too expensive for me, but I see it as a long-term goal. Owning such a car would motivate me to work harder and plan my finances better. Having an electric car would change my life by giving me more independence. I wouldn't have to rely on public transport, and I could travel more freely. Overall, it would improve my lifestyle while also allowing me to contribute to protecting the environment.
Why do people want to own new things in the future?
People want new things because they believe these items will improve their quality of life. New products often offer better technology, comfort, or convenience, which attracts consumers.
Do you think people today own more things than in the past?
Yes, definitely. Modern society encourages consumption, and people have easier access to products. Online shopping and advertising also make buying things much simpler.
Is it better to own things or to rent them?
It depends on the situation. Owning is better for long-term use, while renting is more flexible and cheaper for short-term needs. Many people now prefer renting expensive items.
How does owning expensive items affect people?
Owning expensive items can increase confidence and comfort. However, it can also create pressure, especially if people buy things they cannot afford.
In the future, do you think people will own fewer physical items?
Yes, I think so. With digital services and shared economies, people may prefer access over ownership. This could lead to a more sustainable lifestyle.